Welcome to my YouTube channel English Pal. Here's the English course brought to you by English Pal. Please subscribe me. Most people think that spoken English is something very difficult, but actually spoken English is not that much difficult. When we learn spoken English, we can't divide of grammar. Actually, grammar is a part of spoken English. අපි ස්පෝකන් ඉංග්‍රීසි ගැන කතා කරනකොට දුව පුතේ ග්‍රැමර් නැත්නම් ව්‍යාකරණ වලින් තොරව අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. ව්‍යාකරණත් ස්පෝකන් ඉංග්‍රීසි කෝස් එකේම නැත්නම් ස්පෝකන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලම කොටසක්. Right? But in my course, we are going to learn grammar not in written wise. We are going to practice and learn grammar orally. So that is the specialty in this course. So we learn grammar rules by practicing grammar rules, and we learn grammar by practicing. So it's not a difficult task for you to learn grammar in writing, because we learn all the grammar points, we learn all the grammar rules, and we learn all the grammar lessons to oral practice. Right? Okay. When it comes to spoken English, we'll see what are the four elements that we always follow in English. Basically, we all know reading, writing, speaking, and listening. But when it comes to spoken English, we have to understand what comes for priority. What comes for priority? So, listening comes for priority, because listening is the key to learn English. And even in spoken English, listening is the key. Right? And then speaking is also very important. Speaking, what do you mean by speaking? Actually, speaking means practicing. Speaking means practicing. Practicing what you do, what you daily learn. Right? You have to practice speaking. That's called speaking. And at the same time, you'll have to practice what you know with your friends, with your colleagues, with your father, with your mother, with your brother, with your sister. Likewise. Otherwise, this is a language. You tend to forget it very easily. ඇත්තටම ඔයාලා මේක ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්නේ නැත්නම් පුතේ ඔයාලා මේක අමතක වෙනවා. මොකද කතා කිරීම කියන්නේ අපි දැනගන්න ඕනම දෙයක්. මොකද මේක අපේ භාෂාවක් නෙමෙයි. අපි මේක භාෂාවක් ඉගෙන ගන්න වෙනත් භාෂාවක්. ඒතර භාෂාවක් ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට ස්පීකින් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරේ නැත්නම් අපිට ඒක නිතින්ම ඒක අමතක වෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා අපි ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ වගේම listening කියලා ගත්තාම listening වලින් තමයි අපි හුඟක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්නේ. Listening එක තමයි key එක. Right? Okay. And then we practice reading. Reading is also very important. Right? And then I'll tell you something about this later, writing. Because we don't give much prominence for writing. අපි writing වලට වැදගත්කමක් එච්චර දෙන්නේ නැහැ මෙතනදී. මොකද අපිට වැරදිලා තියෙන ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්න ගිහලා මේ writing වලින් පටන් ගන්න ඉඳ. බොහෝ කට්ටිය spoken English නැත්නම් English විශේෂයෙන්ම spoken English පටන් ගත්තාම එයාලා පටන් ගන්න මොකෙන්ද writing. They give lot of notes, they give lot of sentence patterns and all that they write and they practice. That's really useless. Through my experience, through 20 years of experience, මම මේ කතා කරන අවුරුදු 20ක් අත්දැකීම් තුලින්. Right? So writing is very important when it comes to academic writing, when it comes to literature, when it comes to your professional life. Writing is important, but I mean to speak English, you need not writing. You'll have to practice. You'll have to practice listening, you'll have to practice speaking. And reading is also important, right? Now we'll see what we are going to listen. What are the things that we are going to listen? Actually, we are going to learn to songs. We are going to listen to songs, sorry. We are going to listen to songs. We are going to listen to and watch movies. Listen to video clips of movies. And we are going to listen to radio. We are going to listen to news reading. We are going to watch news telecast. Okay, from all these aspects you can improve your listening a lot. Okay, then we'll see what are the things that we are going to do when it comes to speaking. Right, we are going to practice dialogues, we are going to practice role plays, we are going to practice speeches, at the same time presentations, narrating stories, discussions, telephoning, and in little bit advanced level we are going to practice debates too. Right, so this is actually a, a great deal of work, great deal of practice, right? So you'll have to do a lot when it comes to spoken English, because you are with me only limited time, few hours, but when it comes to you, you are there at home, right? More than 10-15 hours. So, so your duty is to practice what I give you, right? Okay, good. Next, reading. What we are going to do with reading? Reading stories, reading textbooks, reading news, reading comprehension passages, reading newspapers. These all things will cost you nothing but what? Will cost you nothing but getting a very good confidence in speaking. ඒකයි ඔයාලට ඒකෙන් අත්වෙන අන්තිම ප්‍රතිඵලය තමයි ඔයාලට හොඳට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා. Right? I guarantee about it. Okay? Right. Then we'll see writing. I told you we don't give much priority to writing, but in some instances where we need to write down some patterns, some special notes, we come to writing, right? So it's not uh, it's not such important, right? Okay. Okay. Right, in my next video, I'm going to bring you some important areas that you should know in spoken English. Right? Okay, until that, bye bye. Please subscribe my channel English Pal. Thank you very much. See you.